Yeah, so, second video. um, um, there was a story about this cat, and he, he coughed up a hairball. And he went to the restroom, and then he pooped out the hairball, and then
you look like a cartoon.
and then he pooped it out, and then he went to his mom. Then he said, "Do you want to go to the movies?" And then she was like, "Meow," and then meow. The end.
Are you sure?
No. Okay, and then the nest was all like, "Oh, do you have a bird?" And then the nest was like, "Nope, the bird didn't have no eggs today." Then the other nest said, "Oh, they always have babies every weekend." And then she was like, "Oh yeah, that's so right." Yeah, so the nest. And then Chucky killed the mom, and then killed the dad, and then the sister. Then then I was like, "Oh yeah, I want to do that." And then they went to the movies, and then they're watching Freddy vs. Jason, and then came back. Then he gets quiet when you do it. And then this is a boring story. Yeah.
Is that the end now?
Yeah, that's it.
Finally.